Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we want to show you this Arc. What we have done, we've already went and mounted it right above the TV. In this particular setting, they didn't want the space for the Atmos to be effective. So they wanted it as close to that as we could get it, so that's what we have done. So we're going to go through the TruePlay setup if you want to follow along and pay attention. I'll open up my phone here. And all right, so now that we're ready there, I'm going to go to my SONOS app. We're going to let it load up. I'm going to go to my gear over here. We're going to hit System, Living Room with the sub, and then we're going to do TruePlay. And then we're going to start the TruePlay here. It tells me to take my case off, so let's go ahead and do that. Set that up there for now. And we can begin tuning. It's going to ask for everybody to be quiet. Shh. So when you are doing this, it tells you you want to walk around the room and continue to do this. And it will kind of walk you through it step by step. So now, if you look at the screen here, it says it's balanced for your location. So now we can hit next and start the TruePlay. It'll actually make you watch a video to walk you on how to do it. And if you see how she's doing it, you gently walk around, move your phone throughout the room. On this particular system, it hadn't been done before, so it makes you watch the video. So we're gonna let it play real fast. And you know, while the video's playing, and another cool thing about this sound bar is it actually has speakers on each end as well, so you can definitely get that true left and right feeling out of it. All right, and now we're ready to tune. All right, now it's going to adapt the speakers to the sound for this room. And that little tone there tells us that TruePlay is done. And we can turn our back phone to normal and put your case back on and be able to play music. All right, so now that we got TruePlay done, I wanted to play you some free music. So this is copyright free music here that I'm going to play, just so you can hear the sound of it. And I know it's going to be hard to hear it through here, but it'll actually be very cool. So. We also have our sub over here in white to match the sound bar. Very nice and white. Blends in very well with the white walls. So guys, that's the SONOS Arc. Remember to like and subscribe down below, and have a great choice day.